Unit 4 Test A Track 19. Read the list of features. Listen to the advertisement again and tick the features you hear.
Do you need a new car? Do you want to buy the best? Come to Best Cars in Al Zaytoun Street. We have the new Panther 4.5 in stock. It has electric seats. It has electric windows. It has a sunroof and a CD player. It even has a DVD player for the kids in the back seats. And it has lots of space for 6 people. This beautiful car has everything that you expect in an expensive car, but it's not expensive. It is cheap to buy at 15 million Iraqi dinar. That's just 15 million Iraqi dinar. And it's cheap to run. It does 14 kilometres to the litre. Yes, that's right. 14 kilometres to the litre. So, if you want a beautiful 6-seater car with electric windows and seats, a CD player and a DVD player, come to Best Cars now and test drive the Panther 4.5.